Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Indeed job search. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.